It literally changed its mind.
So is that what they should have done with that horse that
Yep.
wouldn't
It wouldn't load.
load?
But the problem, I'll tell you, the problem is with Lacoste is he'd start to rear when he backed and strike at you. That's a good canter. That's if you want to let her trot and
Seeing us out of the right eye.
right.
You know, as seldom as I work with them, this is an oddity to her. She's watching a new movie at a Theater 2. Theater 1 can handle it. Theater 2,
That's good enough then.